Would you like to eat some more pumpkin? It's pumpkin. Would you like a little bit? Here you go. Good girl. Mmm. Yeah, that's pumpkin. Would you like a little bit more? Mmm. Yum, yum. Okay, what do you want now? Do you want pumpkin or cereal? It's a big decision. Which one do you think you want? You want the cereal? Okay. We'll try a little cereal now. Mmm. Cereal. Yum, yum. Would you like a little bit more?